Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02032 error in Oracle Database 12c. So in SQL Plus editor I already logged in as a common user called c#scott, and here you can see that I have already created one cluster called employee number cluster with the field employee number, and I have mapped that the cluster name to one table called employees. Okay, so I already created one table called employees, mapped the employee number cluster. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to insert one value to the employees table. Let us see what is going to happen. So I am inserting the values to the employees table. Yes, ORA-02032 cluster tables cannot be used before the cluster index is built, which means that every cluster should have an index, that is a mandatory one. Then only you can insert or update some records. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am creating one index. I am creating one index for the cluster called empno underscore cluster. Okay, so create index empno underscore cluster underscore index on cluster empno underscore cluster. So index created successfully. Now you insert the record to the employees table. So this is the fix for ORA-02032 issue in Oracle Database.